Welcome to Peter Peace Technical Services Limited, your reliable partner for quality industrial and technical supplies. We supply durable, industry-approved equipment for construction, oil and gas, marine, manufacturing, and maintenance operations, including industrial gases, welding tools and accessories, instrumentation and measurement tools, personal protective equipment, carpentry, mechanical and marine tools, abrasive blasting equipment, lifting equipment, oil servicing tools, non-spark tools, and many more industrial essentials. We are committed to quality products, competitive pricing, and prompt delivery to meet your project needs. We are located at Plot 2 Jeff Opera Street, behind UST Police Station, Mile 3, Diob, Port Harcourt. Call or WhatsApp us to place your order today.